Wake up, it's time for school.
Wake up, it's time for school.
Wash your face nicely.
Wash your face nicely.
Brush your teeth properly.
Brush your teeth properly.
Put on your clothes fast.
Put on your clothes fast.
Put on your socks.
Put on your socks.
Wear your shoes properly.
Wear your shoes properly.
Comb your hair neatly.
Comb your hair neatly.
Pack your school bag carefully.
Pack your school bag carefully.
Make sure all your books are inside.
Make sure all your books are inside.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Finish your lunch.
Finish your lunch.
Sit properly on the chair.
Sit properly on the chair.
Eat slowly, don't rush.
Eat slowly, don't rush.
Don't play with your food.
Don't play with your food.
Chew your food well.
Chew your food well.
Use your napkin.
Use your napkin.
Don't spill your milk.
Don't spill your milk.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Clean your room properly.
Clean your room properly.
Put your toys away.
Put your toys away.
Don't leave your clothes on the floor.
Don't leave your clothes on the floor.
Put your dirty clothes in the laundry.
Put your dirty clothes in the laundry.
Help me fold the clothes.
Help me fold the clothes.
Dry your hair properly.
Dry your hair properly.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to me carefully.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Don't interrupt when I'm talking.
Don't interrupt when I'm talking.
Be polite to others.
Be polite to others.
Say thank you when someone helps you.
Say thank you when someone helps you.
Please share your toys.
Please share your toys.
Don't fight with your siblings.
Don't fight with your siblings.
Don't argue.
Don't argue.
Stop teasing others.
Stop teasing others.
Don't throw things.
Don't throw things.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Time to do your homework.
Time to do your homework.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Turn off the TV now.
Turn off the TV now.
Go outside and play.
Go outside and play.
Come inside, it's time for dinner.
Come inside, it's time for dinner.
Put on your pajamas.
Put on your pajamas.
Put away your books.
Put away your books.
Don't forget to pray.
Don't forget to pray.
Say good night to everyone.
Say good night to everyone.
Time for bed.
Time for bed.